Hello, puppy.
Well, depends on which way you want to go, right?
Well, I'm going to go whatever is the fastest way. So we're going to go...
We went to Sherwood Park last
Go to Fort Saskatchewan, and it says...
Hendy.
Well, that's weird. You can go around that way, too.
Yeah, you can. Hendy goes around the city, right?
Huh. 46 minutes, it says. How does it take you an hour and 15 minutes?
Well, maybe because I go Sherwood Park way.
Well, whatever.
Does that make the difference?
I don't... 46 minutes this way, 56 minutes going around west. So, no. I don't know how you drive. It takes an hour and 15 minutes. My goodness. All right, we're going to Fort Saskatchewan. And it's lovely out.
Yes, it is.
You telling me I could... All I brought was sweatshirts. That's all I brought with me.
Well, you got a new shirt.
Oh, I know. I know. Neater to see all the stuff I sort of half remember. But it is. What's the population of Fort Saskatchewan now? It's got to be.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't see a sign coming in, but there's a sign coming in for 15. So.
Oh, is there? It's got to be a decent size now. Because when we lived here, it just it was at 12,000 people, I think it was.
Well, I don't think it was that high.
Well, it had to be 10,000 to become a city.
Okay.
So.
But did we become a city?
Yeah,
before?
because the football team and everything at the high school had to join the city league. This is not it, is it? Or is this a turn that I wouldn't?
Yeah,
this is I would have known back in the day because all this.
Yes, this is the one before you
But before.
the highway.
Okay. How exciting! I wonder if I'll go to the mall here and see somebody I recognize. I bet though, a lot of people I went to school with possibly still live here. I would think. Never left or left and came back or. So yeah, because I think the only school I really didn't go to outside of the Catholic schools was this one up here, right? The one up on this side. So this was. Did I go to this elementary school? I must have. Living here, I must have went to it. Right?
You were 10 years old.
Yeah.
Here, right?
So this was ours, and we were on the right side.
Yeah. So both of these were for sale.
I always liked this because even though you didn't have a big backyard, you had the whole school backyard.
Yeah.
So it's like you had a massive backyard. Anyway, school would be on right now, would it not? No, because it's holiday.
Yeah.
I wonder if any of my teachers are here.
I don't know if the teachers are still on strike. They're on strike.
Oh, that's right.
But on Friday, I saw a whole bunch of kids going to school. So there's a lot of kids.
So that was
the
junior high.
And now it's the French one, is it not? According to the.
No, I don't think it is. I think I don't know. It's like the French one not the French one. The
old French school.
The junior high disappeared. Okay, so this is the French one. Oh yeah, it is the French elementary though. French elementary.
Yeah.
So there is no junior high here now. Is that what they're saying?
Well,
and here's the football field because I played on that and I did my track and field around that all the time, which was great. And this is the Catholic school. Now that I'm remembering this, that might have been there before.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Now that. Okay. All right. Do you want to stop somewhere for coffee or something?
No, not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Something else you wanted to see?
I don't know. I've seen. This is Fort Saskatchewan. I don't know what else there's to see.
But you see, there's an awful lot new on.
Oh yeah, my gosh, yeah, for sure. Yeah. I would like a beverage. I'm a little thirsty.
Well, maybe I could use the bathroom stops.
Okay. Well, let's find a gas station / convenience store or something like that. Well, somebody's got to have something. Look, gas, $1.19. Way better than $1.53 back at home. So much better. Yep. And I think in Leduc it was 118 this morning. So that's even nicer. Anyways, Fort Saskatchewan. My goodness, eh? It's grown so much, but some of the stuff is the same. So much is the same.
Sharon phoned and she said, would you be interested in moving?
That was it right there, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
moving into that. And I said, no. I said,
Are they just sun faded, or do they?
no, they repainted them.
Oh,
a
they
different
repainted
color.
them. That used to be a 7-Eleven.
Yeah, it used to be. And
Now it's nothing. Oh, in the RCMP park. We lived over here somewhere. Look at that old car. You don't know it.
I said, I don't know if we can get to it.
Yes, I came down this street all the time.
Yeah, well, the people that next
So it must have been this one. 9603, yep, there it is. Yep. That was our house. Looks like they need to mow the lawn. It's not doing well. Whatever. Nice. Excellent. And then there's some kid just sitting there. That's odd. Tennis court's still there. That used to be the pool right there. So let's see if it's still the pool.
Oh,
It looks still like a pool.
they would have two pools, one.
One indoor, one outdoor.
Oh, this is guides and stuff.
That is no longer a pool. That whole area used to be a swimming pool. Well, the pool's not there. That's sad. It looks like old pool, because that's where the change rooms were. You come out this side and there's pool. Oh, part of my childhood gone.
Yeah.
That's sad.
There you go.
Yeah. But I remember coming down this hill all the time on my bike, because you could go so fast. You know, so fast down here. And there used to be a house here that was run down, like an old rundown house that was abandoned. So we used to go in it all the time just because it was spooky. That's all. None of that's there anymore. So really, my thought is the downtown Fort Saskatchewan is not really the hopping place.
No.
The hopping place now is where the mall is.
Yeah.
Right. The
So
Brant
basically-
Hotel, you could go get beer there if you had money. It didn't really matter if you.
And Roger
Oh,
Jones,
we'll go
his
this way.
office used to be here on.
Yes, right here in the corner, right?
Yeah.
You know what I remember about this place?
What?
Well, first, I remember playing tennis there all the time.
Ah.
And then I remember roller skating in this place because it would have roller skating nights on the weekends. Some of the sports specs, roller skating. And I find it very interesting now that it's so close to the school. All looks familiar to me, this part. Like, is that still the bowling alley?
I don't know if it still is
Oh,
or not.
this 7-Eleven is still the same. There was no vape shop beside it, just so you know. And then the credit union.
Yeah.
Always. This was a mall.
Yes.
This was a mall.
Oh, they've torn down.
Oh my
some.
gosh, they haven't torn down some of it. It's pretty much all gone.
Yeah, look at all the houses.
I know.
In there.
So is there no mall
Oh no.
in Fort Saskatchewan?
Well, yeah, on the other side of the highway.
Oh, and then we can go straight, but up here would be the pots. Well, it used to be pots and pans, which is now,
Now the
I guess,
urban center.
but it's also just Pots, isn't it? Pots,
Yeah, that's what
Pots
you said
something.
yesterday.
Yeah, right there. Pots Bar and Grill.
Yeah.
So again, some of it is still there. Some of it. So this section up here, I always remember this section because from here all through the back there, and then all the way back to, I don't know if the McDonald's is there anymore,
Oh yeah.
right? Is where Dad taught me how to drive. So that was the McDonald's right there.
Yeah.
That one, it didn't look like that, of course. That was the McDonald's that I worked at for 2 weeks. And then I said, no, no, I can't do it. I'm not doing it. Once again, this is the McDonald's I worked at. And after we go get a coffee and Mom goes to the bathroom, here she is. Here. I'm just talking to my glasses again. Yeah, then we're heading back into the city. We've seen Fort Saskatchewan in all its glory. And this is where I worked for 2 glorious weeks. And I said, no more of that.